Picture this: your beloved pet needs a prescription, and you are using an online vet. You might wonder, can that veterinarian prescribe medicine if they are licensed in a different state than where you and your pet are located? Generally, an online vet cannot legally prescribe medication across state lines without specific provisions. The ability for a veterinarian to prescribe medicine is tightly linked to state licensing laws and the establishment of a proper veterinarian-client-patient relationship, or VCPR. The core reason for this restriction lies in state veterinary licensing boards and the critical veterinarian-client-patient relationship. A VCPR is a legal requirement in most states that ensures a vet has personally examined your pet and has sufficient knowledge of their health to make informed decisions and prescribe treatments. This relationship is typically established through an in-person physical examination. Since veterinary licenses are issued by individual states, a vet can generally only practice veterinary medicine, including prescribing, within the state or states where they are actively licensed, and where a valid VCPR has been established according to that state's specific rules. For you as a pet owner, this means it is crucial to confirm that any online veterinary service you use has veterinarians who are licensed in your specific state. You should also understand how that service establishes a VCPR, as some states have begun to allow a VCPR to be formed entirely via telehealth for certain conditions, while many others still requiring an initial in-person visit. Always ask about their licensing and VCPR policy before relying on them for prescriptions. It is important to note that while some states are exploring more flexible VCPR regulations to adapt to the growing demand for telehealth, the current landscape predominantly requires adherence to state-specific rules, often necessitating that initial in-person assessment. Understanding these nuances helps you navigate online pet care effectively and ensures compliance with veterinary laws. By verifying your online vet's licensing in your state and understanding how they establish the veterinarian-client-patient relationship, you can confidently ensure your pet receives legal and appropriate care, making the most of convenient telehealth services while staying within established guidelines for pet medication.